Cyclists searching for a more comfortable seat for those longer rides, without adding any much extra weight or bulk to their bicycle, may be interested in a new suspension seat post called the ShockStop, designed and created by Redshift Sports based in Philadelphia. Watch the demonstration video below to learn more about the bicycle suspension seat, which is fully adjustable to provide different degrees of stiffness as well as smooth out your ride. The ShockStop seat post pictured above has been created for commuters, mountain bikers, and electric bikes and allows you to ride further, faster and more comfortably using the bike you already own. The ShockStop seat post has this week launched via Kickstarter and already raised twice this required pledge door, making sure the concept makes the jump into manufacture. The ShockStop seat post is an adjustable stiffness suspension seat post that will dramatically improve your ride by smoothing out the road. It is equally suited for an epic gravel adventure or just dealing with potholes on your daily commute. Available from $129 for early bird backers, worldwide shipping is expected to take place during November 2018.